What's going on, guys? It's Cody. I'm over here at Texas Auto Trim. We have a new project in the shop. Behind me is a 2025 Lexus LX700. We're going to be doing a full body paint protection film on this project. Right now it's in a gloss metallic black. We're going to be putting a matte film over the top. So at the end of this, it's going to turn into a matte black, satin black finish, and while also preserving and protecting the paint from rock chips, scratches, debris, any typical wear and tear or road use. We've already got the vehicle prepped. Everything's ready to go. I do have some film already laid out over here on the table. I'm going to start on the back end on the hatch, try to get a few of those panels going, and then just work my way around. Typically, I don't have like a certain area that I usually start with. Kind of just varies from job to job, but on this one, I already have this laid out, so I'm just going to go ahead and get the back area knocked out. Genuinely looking forward to this one. I think I've done like 4 or 5 of these so far. We get a lot of these in, but this is the first black one. I mean, they're nice SUVs, but man, that's still got like it's like a 80K plus price tag. I feel like I'm gonna spend 80K. I'm gonna get something a lot different than this. And if I need something that has space like an SUV, I'm not gonna spend 80 for this. I'll just get, I don't know, a Tahoe or something. Memory don't have a gun. I'm lying. So pretty much wrapped up with the top half. Obviously there's still moisture and a lot to dry before all the edges can be fully tucked. For the most part, this whole back hatch area is wrapped up. It's got film on it, which that's what the goal was. Typically I'll wipe everything down, just give it a once over, take a look, make sure there's no trash or debris, and then kind of just move on to the next. Bon apple tea. Ah, boy, yeah. Cold as ice, hot as cold. Keep dropping my squeegee on the ground. Girl, put in work. Girl. If y'all just watching videos to be entertained, or if y'all are watching them to try to learn more about the process, see how it gets done. But either way, whatever it is, if you can, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what you're looking for in these videos. Do you just like watching these just to see other people do it, or if you're watching them because you're looking to gain more tips because you're trying to do it yourself, just leave a comment. Let me know. What the for one? No way, bro. No way. That's because you was waiting on Blaze for 30 minutes. You're right. Well, that's crazy. I literally just recorded a whole video and it wasn't even recording. Silly me. So basically what I was saying is, y'all saw it. The quarter panel is laid now. What I was talking about before, which honestly I don't even know if you guys heard it because I looked and my mic was dead. Okay, I just had to double check and make sure the mic was working because it did shut off, so I think the battery's low. But what I was saying before is, there's these little slits that the software cuts. in the gas cap. So in order for me to make sure everything lines up, these are like the really finer details. So I try to make sure I get those taken care of first, because all of this space, I have a lot more conformability, a lot more stretch I can do. Versus here, that's a lot harder to, if this is all the way up here, once all this is laid, it's harder to get something so small all the way back down. So typically it's easier to just go ahead and do the small things. But as you can see, the corners look good. And then everything right here will wrap around. So everything's laid. I mean, we only have a few more panels to do. Got the 2 doors, we've got the hood and the roof, and this thing will be pretty much almost finished. We're gonna be leaving these flares, we're gonna be leaving those gloss black. We're still gonna be putting PPF on there, but it's gonna be clear, so you're not gonna see much of a difference with that. So I probably won't record it, but I will show you guys the end result once we get there. But we still have a couple more panels to go, so I'll go ahead and set you guys back down and we'll get to it. Baby back ribs. Ah, man, y'all toast. Yeah, this the week of all week, y'all start bringing all kinds of food.
It's just some chicken. It's a whole fucking barbecue chicken in that whole.
Facts, with some sausages on the side.
All the sides on there. Mashed potatoes, baked potatoes, mac and cheese.
It's a good spot. It's not one of them where you're like, oh, I want some barbecue, and then you go there and you end up disappointed.
So it's not like Rudy's.
Oh no, it's better than Rudy's.
Okay.
No, Rudy, I can't do Rudy's. The only thing I like about Rudy's is their breakfast tacos.
Yeah.
Yeah, when I used to go pull cable and do like alarm systems and stuff, like we would always stop by Rudy's in the morning to get tacos before hitting the job site. Cause they load them up too, man. You get full off of those
For real.
things.
They fat.
thick.
Little burritos.
Yeah. They ain't no breakfast tacos, they breakfast burritos.
Yeah.
Hey, you get about three of those things, you good for the day.
Sleeping, bro.
Yeah.
Missing the whole.
Right? Hey, let me go hit the bathroom real quick. My aunt's so extra, bro. She made me think she died or something. Then I got an e-bike talking about, you are invited celebration of life.
Whoa.
47 from Miranda.
Bro, that's.
Why would you word it like that? Alright guys, so as you can see, we've got this one pretty much wrapped up. Got the full body PPF on this. We went ahead and did gloss PPF on the flares, the mirrors, all the gloss black accents. But this one's pretty much ready to go. I'll kind of show you guys some B-roll, let you see the full walk around of it. But yeah, this one's going to be heading off to the dealer. Hopefully we'll get another one of these in. I think we've done 5 or 6 of these, all different colors. This is actually the first black one that we've done. So the original paint was the metallic black like you guys saw, and then once we put the stealth PPF over the top, it turns it into this matte or satin finish. So basically just gives it more of a, I don't know, I guess a more sporty look. You know, some people prefer this, some people prefer just to keep the original gloss paint. But if you do like the gloss finish, they also offer gloss PPF, and we do that here as well. If you're looking for more information, I'll leave everything down below. That's going to be it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please feel free to leave a like, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, just enjoy this B-roll, and y'all have a good one.